Today we're going to be setting up a very basic React application. For that I'm going to be using terminal, zooming in using command plus. Okay, so we need to have a directory for that. So let's just delete that, remove my React and remove recursively web. Oh, it's not gonna, yeah, of course. Okay, so we need to just clean things up here. Okay, so in order to create what we're going to be doing is like in order to create the React application, what you need is the npm. So you can make sure that the npm is installed and the node is installed on your Linux, Mac, whatever. Currently I do have node version 14 installed on my computer. uh, so the command which is used to create the project, the React application, is basically it's the npx create React app, and then the name of the application, where we can just say custom app. Couple of things is like, if you do not have that create a React app installed, or you do not have the npx installed, or you do not have the React or React DOM installed, it's gonna complain about not having those packages. So just make sure you do brew install the name of the package. If you need to install a particular node version, you have to follow the node guidelines on that. But in the end, what needs to happen is like, you need to install, so you can do npm install globally the create React app, and again assuming that you do have the node already installed, it should be okay. I already have it installed. It's just gonna say that try to fetch again, but updated one packages and this one not sure why. I just installed it recently, so it's temporarily update as soon as possible. Okay, so yeah, so use this command in order to install that create React app. uh, yep, so I'm gonna give that earlier command a try now. React create React app, let's call it custom app. So it's gonna take some time in order to set things up here. uh, it is going to install the custom app, and right now it is installing React DOM and React scripts. So when I was basically making sure everything is ready, I also was getting some um, some errors related to privileges. So but like when I was basically trying to install that npm install g, it was telling me that the node version has been, you need to change the privilege, or uh, it was giving me recommendation on what commands needs to I need to run in order to make sure that that directory, the node directory or the npm directory, has the right read and write privileges. So just follow the instructions over there. And I this one, like if you create the app using npx create React app, it does at the end of, and it does give you how you can run the application and how you can actually make the static files for production, how can you test it, and stuff like that. So we suggest that you begin with this one, and we're gonna do exactly the same. We are going to go into our directory. So if we list what's been created as just this directory custom app, once we go in there, we can do npm start. Okay, so it is running our application, newly created application. So I'm gonna crash that right now and go to source. So if we go to the index.js, basically it's using an app which is a separate file. So if we go to that file, we can make changes over here. Could be that another paragraph and tell that what this application is about. This is my custom application, and if you do again npm start, you would see the changes over there. Okay, a couple of other things. You can use other ways of creating the application. So we used what did we use? We used npx create react app and the name of the app, right? Okay, we did that, but there are other ways where we can do npm init and then the react app and the name of the app. That's another one. We can also use yarn for that. That would be, and I'm just putting the hash here because I just want to comment it out. That would be yarn create react app and then again the name of the app. So these are the different ways of creating a basic React application. Again, it is, I was just looking at here and it did say that it's gonna run the test, which is really nice. That nice. Oh, that's so cool. Yes, so it does have we every file where you wanna where you wanna write the test, you can actually you need to uh, put this suffix test.js. So you have to append that test.js at the end of the file name. So normally you would create another directory test, or if you wanna don't wanna use the regular test framework, you can use the jest uh, for that. So test just use the React scripts and test. So that can be an add-on. So yep, these were the things I wanted to cover today. Thank you.